Hi guys. This is grade 11 maths, and we are dealing with sphere. Um, let me see, guys. There is something that is not fine here. Let me see what is happening. Let me just do this, guys. It happened in my last video, and it's still happening now. I don't know. I will consult my technical team. See what happens here, guys. All right, we're in grade 11, right? Yes, grade 11. Um, Let me see. Yeah. Now, guys, in this lesson, you will be learning, uh, you will be doing volume and surface area of a sphere. Okay, guys. A sphere basically looks like this. Let me use different pen. A sphere would be looking like this. I'm using a pencil here. All right, and the sphere will have the radius. Let's say the radius is r here. Okay, so this is our sphere. Now, it's basically what the examiner will ask you would be about the volume of a sphere, the volume, or otherwise he will ask you about the surface area. So what is it that you will be asking you guys? Basically, you must know that the volume of a sphere is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cubed, like this. Okay, I think the usage of this formula will be needed, and also the surface area is equal to 4 pi r squared. Yeah, these two formulae will be asked on this one. So most of the times, the what did the examiners do would basically, sometimes they would give you the volume. They would give you volume. You would be given the volume, okay, and then they would say find the radius. Okay, most of the questions you will find that they give you the volume and they ask you to find the radius. All right, so you need to be able to make r the subject for you, because you will be substituting the volume here as given. All right, and then uh, 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 pi, there is a value of pi we know, then the only unknown will be r, then we will need to find r. Let's see. So if we have v is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cubed, and we want to make r the subject, what do? We are going to actually multiply both sides by 3, so that this 3 cancels this 3. Multiply by 3 here to balance, right? Now you will be having 3v is equal to 4 pi r cubed. Now, we want to find r cubed, so we'll have to divide by 4 pi, so that 4 pi cancels this 4 pi. You divide by 4 pi here to balance your equation or the formula, okay? Now, this brings us to saying 3v over 4 pi is equal to r cubed. Now, to find r, or to remove the cube, you will cube root this. We cube root here, and we cube root this side to balance. So the cube root will cancel the cube here. Now you end up having r is equal to the cubic root of 3v over 4 pi. Okay, so that's it. That's it, guys. That's how you can make r the subject, okay, and then substitute the given value of v here. The given value of v, you just put it here, then you work out, using your calculator, you will get the value of r. All right. Likewise, here, most of the time here they give you a shape. They give you a shape, and then they want you to find the surface area, or they give you the shape and the surface area, or they give you the surface area and they want you to find r. It's on rare cases where they give you r and ask you to find the surface area. That you will meet in your own calculations. As you are going through arithmetic somewhere, you will meet a requirement to use this formula without being asked. Okay. Now, let's make r the subject here. It's easy. As a, which is the surface area, is equal to 4 pi r squared. Then we will divide by 4 pi because we want to find r, so that we cancel the 4 pi there. Now we have surface area over 4 pi is equal to r squared. Then to remove the square here, we square root. Then we will also square root this side to balance. Therefore, the radius here will be equal to the square root of the surface area divided by 4 pi. Okay? Yeah. Now let me give you just a single example. A sphere. What am I writing? A sphere has a volume. A sphere has a volume of 1000 centimeters cubed. Find its radius. Simple. Find its radius. All right, that is it. Okay, guys, so I believe you are following. I believe you are still following. What would you do here? So in a question like this, you just have to be careful. Let me show you why I'm saying you have to be careful. You need to identify what is given. So you are given the volume as 1000 centimeters cubed. And you need to also find, okay, you find what? R. So that is the type of question that would lead you to making R the subject, like here. Meaning, we are going to say our R will be equals to the cubic root of 3 times 1000 centimeters cubed divided by 4 pi. When you press 4 pi in your calculator, you will just get the solution straight away. So you actually press this 3 times 1000 Then you divide it by 4 pi. When you get the answer, you cubic root that answer. Then you will get the answer here in centimeters. Because the cubic root will cancel the cube centimeter here to leave centimeter. Guys, this brings us to the end of this lesson. I hope you have enjoyed it. Until we meet again in the next lesson. Take care.